I think I got it. Linda here, she makes all of our instructors.
Yeah, it's got the fin there. Or you can put one of our magnets. But if you want to keep the pistol,
And if you wanted to go with everything, I can throw it in for free. Normal charge is 44.
okay?
And if you wanted to get the sight and the scope, throw it in for free. I'll try to help you out as much as I can.
Put it in. And then there's a plate, right?
I become nervous
It goes right here.
because
And then there's a screw, okay? So what this does is
you don't want to
it's screwing the magazine, okay? Basically, so you put the screw in there, and now it doesn't come out. See that? It stays in your firearm. If you have a fixed magazine, it allows you to keep the pistol grip. If you don't have a fixed magazine, you have to get the fin grip. So the way this works is it stays in your gun all the time, and then to load it up, you pull down the handle, pop open the side, and you load it through the side. So it holds 10 rounds, fixed magazine, and then you can close it up and release it and fire with it and stuff like that. So those are the two ways to go. This will cost you about 65 bucks. Fin grip will probably cost you about 20 bucks maybe. But a lot of people don't like the fin grip. They don't like, because you have to hold it like this, you know, because it's got the fin here. So a lot of people don't like that. So they go to something like this because you have to get rid of the pistol grip or get rid of the detachable number two, you know. But I'm sure there are some. Yeah, this is for the AK right here. Yeah, that's the AK-47 here. That's just a fancy one. So this is for the AK here. So those are your two ways to go. It's kind of up to you which way you like. For me, I like the pistol grip. I like. So then I use this, and it's not that bad. It's just.
So that doesn't move, huh?
Yeah, this is adjustable.
Oh, because you have the mag.
Because I have a fixed mag. Yeah. So with this fixed mag, you can have an adjustable stock, pistol grip, flash hider. You can have a forward grip, whatever you want on it. If you don't have a detachable, if you have a detached regular magazine, then you can't have this move. You have to have the fin grip. You have a wood stock, so you don't care about that anyways. It's just a pistol grip. So you can do like a featureless, a fin grip, or this. Those are your two ways to go. And I think there's usually an AK guy here. Yeah. And I think the fin grip cost about 20 bucks.
Thank you.
And then you just screw it on. So either way.
Okay. Special here. Remember, they're special here. No one's recording you. And that lady was like, I don't want to be recorded. Bitch, no one's recording you. You're looking at stuff. Not fucking liberal bitches. What is she doing? Ah. California shit, see? These people are sick. Still here, what are they doing there? Oh, these are all the... Oh, okay, I thought they were the safety things for California.
No.
I was like, no. All right. How much are the... $8? $8? Oh, okay. Ooh, I like this one. Do you guys have more or just...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I'll take this one.
in the back?
No, I'll just put it in my pocket.
Take that.
You guys have any tactical stickers?
What was that?
Oh, they're right here.
Yeah. There you go.
Thanks. Thanks, guys. Well, all right. Don't worry. They're good kind. Good kind. Hello.
You know you're not supposed to be recording.
Oh, that's what I've heard over here. They're special.
Yeah. You're still recording. Let's turn it off, bro.
It depends for what.
I'm telling you, man, they're special here. Man, this You didn't bring the nice the Tommy gun, huh? Not this size. Oh, you did. It was so beautiful. That's why.
2 years ago I sold it.
It was really nice. It was in that like oily stain.
It was black and nickel plate.
It was really nice. I really
sold it
like.
for $2,500.
You know what? You're still recording, and somebody's already told you you're not allowed to record anymore.
Oh, okay.
So you need to turn that off.
I'm not recording though. I never said I was.
We were watching.
I hear you, but you're assuming. It's all right. It's just this state. Thank you. And these women are everywhere.
This is all atmosphere. This is all mummified.
It's
The original flavor. All-purpose seasoning.
nice. Oh, I'll try it for sure.
That's the worst place.
Oh my God.
Try this one, too.
They don't have stuff like that around here.
Huh?
They don't have stuff like that around here. We gotta go like down south if we want to try something good, right? Over here they don't have stuff like this. Oh man.
Trail dust.
So
Steaks.
it's just the
first
seasoning.
one was the original, yeah. The second one was trail dust. They're great on the barbecue for everything: beef, pork, chicken, fish.
Wow.
$7 a bottle, and you get 3 for 20.
Oh man, I'm gonna have to come back for this original one. It was really good. This is the last one? I like the original better. But this one was really good too. I don't know, man.
They're all good.
Right? It's just really good everywhere.
Thank you. Not me, Kevin. Appreciate it.
All right.